Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's see how to store the value in variable by getting the input from user using Python programming. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so first what we'll do is we'll just try to give some name to the variable. So what I will do is I will just give some name. Okay, I will go with the city. City is equal to input of. So here we'll try to give some kind of sentence like which city do you live in, and we'll close the parenthesis and we'll close the bracket, press enter, and finally we'll print the city. Okay, so now let's see what will happen. I will try to run this particular cell, control enter. So here you can see which city do you live in, and it's asking for the input. I will give it as Mumbai, and now I will press enter. Okay, so now you can see city is equal to input of which city do you live in. That means we have defined the variable, and when we are trying to give the input we are asking the user. Okay, and the user has given the input as Mumbai, and finally we are printing the city. Okay, so when it comes to the city, the value has been stored in the city as Mumbai, and finally when we print the city it is showing it as Mumbai. Okay, so this is how you can store the value in variable by getting the value from the user, like by making the user to give the input to it, and finally we are giving the print city. Okay, so now we'll try to do some kind of trial and error method with this. Try to do some other exercise. Okay, so here city is equal to input of which city do you live in, and here what I will do is here I will try to add some more sentence um we'll open the bracket, we'll open the parenthesis. I live in, and we'll close the parenthesis, comma, and now let's see what will be the output. Okay, so run this particular cell. Again, I will give the city as Mumbai and press enter. Okay, so now here you can see I live in Mumbai, because when it comes to the print statement here I have given I live in the parenthesis, comma, city. Okay, so the city is the variable and the value is stored as Mumbai. Okay, so the difference between here and here is here I have print only the city. Okay, so whatever you want you can just give it before the city, that will be printed as it is, and whatever the value you store in the city that will come here. Okay, you can do anything, whether you want to play with the text, you want to play with the characters, or you want to play with the number also. Okay, so now I will take an example with respect to the number. So I will give it as year is equal to input of. Okay, so here I will give some sentence which year you are born. We'll close the parenthesis, and here I will print the year. Okay, so now we'll try to run this particular cell. So which year you are born, I will just give it as some 1995. Now we'll press enter. So here you can see the value stored in the year variable is 1995, and it is giving the output. Similarly, you can also play with this by adding some text. Open the parenthesis. I was born in the year, close the parenthesis, comma, year. We'll run this particular cell, 1965. Okay, we'll give it as 1995. Run this again, press enter. So here you can see I was born in the year 1995. Okay, so this is the simple way you can understand the variable in the Python programming. You can define the variable, you can store the value in variable directly, or also you can just give the input using from the user, and once the user stores the value in the variable, you can get the output. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.